Greetings, fellow traders and enthusiasts. Welcome back to Ajayastromoneyguru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, on the 9th of April 2024, we are delving into the dynamic world of ICE cotton futures, where recent developments have stirred up quite a buzz. ICE cotton futures have seen a notable uptick, bouncing back from their recent slump, thanks in part to a softer US dollar. This decline in the dollar's strength has made cotton more appealing to international buyers, breathing some life back into the market. But that's not the only factor at play here. With all eyes on the upcoming USDA's monthly supply and demand report, anticipation is running high among traders and analysts alike. This report, scheduled for later this week, promises to provide crucial insights into the future trajectory of cotton prices. Meanwhile, on the ground, we are seeing a mixed bag of indicators. While certified cotton stocks have seen a modest increase, reflecting some stability in supply, other factors like global oil prices are adding complexity to the equation. The recent tensions in the Middle East have driven up oil prices, indirectly impacting cotton prices by making polyester, a common substitute, more expensive. Fascinating insights there. And let's not forget the impending release of the WASDE report. Initial findings indicate a downward revision in US cotton production and ending stocks, suggesting potential shifts in the market landscape. Moreover, global cotton consumption is on the rise, particularly in China and India, painting a picture of evolving demand patterns. With Brazil and Australia also making waves with their production forecasts, it's clear that the cotton market is in a state of flux. As we gear up for the release of the WASDE report on April 11th, one thing remains certain: the cotton market is as dynamic as ever, presenting both challenges and opportunities for traders and investors. Stay tuned to Ajayastromoneyguru for in-depth analysis and real-time updates on all things commodities. Until next time, happy trading!